This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring you have admin rights and a restore point, because drivers can change system behavior. Once plugged into the USB-C port, open Settings, press Windows +I, and go to Windows Update. Make sure Windows is online, then select Advanced Options and Optional Updates. You do this first because optional updates often include device drivers. It's faster than hunting hardware lists. If you see a driver listed for your device, check it and click Download and Install to begin. Once the optional update is underway or absent, open Device Manager. Press Windows +X and pick Device Manager. Locate the USB controller or the specific device name and expand the section. You'll right-click the entry and choose Update Driver, then pick Search Automatically for drivers to let Windows query Microsoft's catalog. If you want to install a vendor driver, choose Browse My Computer for drivers and point to the folder you downloaded. This is how you control whether Windows uses a generic versus a vendor driver. After installation, you must restart the PC so the new driver initializes, then test the USB-C device. If something fails, return to Device Manager, open the device properties, and use Rollback Driver to restore the prior version that undoes problematic updates. Make sure to check driver version and date under Details and look in Event Viewer for related hardware errors. If you still have trouble, try a different cable or port and reinstall the vendor driver manually to ensure compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.